Hey guys, this is Nathan, and this is AOC2 Week 3. So, this week was an interesting week for me. I'll just start off by kind of showing what I did for my project. I wanted to do a lot more than what I did, but I just wasn't able to. So, kind of boring looking, it's just a shade of brown, and, it doesn't look horrible, I guess, but it's not as good as it could have looked. Add event, and we just had to make like a simple event planner. So if we'll say AOC2 video, and I wanted to make this work. I know how to do it, but I didn't, so I just have to close keyboard button. So right there, let's put this up to 9. So that's what it's do for me. You can see how this all works, and you're not able to go past it. It should drop you back. There you go. So, yeah. So that's working right there, which is good. There we go. So right there, that's there, and then click save. It'll post it right there. And you can add multiple of them, and it'll put them all on there. And I'm pretty sure if you do this enough times, it'll actually let you scroll. So that's just, it works now. So this comes down to, I'll do my code real quick, and then I'll kind of do my little spiel at the end. The code is pretty simplistic. I don't think there was anything crazy with it necessarily. Find the stuff there. You get your properties interface. You have your delegate up here. Pass it in. And here's where most of it is done. You have with the this is my save function right here. And right here it's doing the strings. Basically, you can see that it was actually logging the stuff down there as well whenever I clicked it. But so it saves right there, and then it'll actually do a little ns log right there. And with the date, it it goes through and figures it out, and then right here makes it a string, loads it in, and then right here it loads in the full string. The delegate down here, you're basically just passing it over to here. And then we have our little, where is it? Right here. Right here is just where it actually makes it show up. This makes it actually display in the text field. This allows it to be passed. This was my problem. This little line didn't realize I was missing it. Didn't realize I really needed it, and so I guess I kind of misunderstood how it was set up from that standpoint. And that is really what I could have done better, is actually known about this thing. There's so many things that I could have done better this week that I didn't do because I didn't know about this. I actually just got my project working today. Everything was working except for the displaying. I couldn't figure out why. I knew it was saving everything. I knew it was working with that. Just didn't know why it wasn't actually passing it on over. So that was frustrating, and whenever you find out it's something so small as just basically saying it's on this view, it's one of those moments in code where you just want to throw your computer at a wall or something. But I have it there. Some things I wish I could have done this week is last week I had a couple versions of the calculator, and with this, really would have been nice to have it where I have the version that has the requirements, but then have something that has like a nice leather texture or something, or have it where you have more than just one thing. You can have like title, and then description and stuff like that. It would have looked a lot nicer, would have ran a lot nicer. Have a version without this, because it's, if you have the return down here, this is redundant. This isn't needed if you have it where this closes it. So I guess that's what I could have done better, and hopefully next week will go better than this week. I lost a day from my internet, and that kind of made it a little tougher. Anyways, I hope you guys had a good one, and I hope you guys have another good week. It's a good one. Bye.